Every sheet contains thousands of rows and columns. That is the reason small companies use Excel to store data instead of database. These horizontal lines are called rows, and it is named by 1, 2, 3 and so on. These vertical lines are called columns. Columns are named by alphabetical letters. To check the total range of rows, press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Here you can see this sheet has 1,048,576 rows. Similarly, press Ctrl Shift right arrow. You can see last column heading is XFD. But Excel has maximum 16,384 columns in one sheet. This is sheet number 1. To move back cell A1, press Ctrl Home shortcut key. Now you can see this is cell A1. You can add multiple sheets from here. Click this button, again click this button. In this way, you can add multiple sheets from here. But remember, Excel allows you to add 255 sheets in single workbook. So, you can store millions of data in one workbook. Now, you can see the name of this sheet is sheet number 1. You can give a meaningful name to this sheet. To rename this sheet, double click or right click on the sheet number 1. Double click and type customer data. Press enter. You can see the name of sheet is changed. If you want to move this sheet tab, drag this sheet tab and give a new place. Now click this cell. The name box shows the cell reference of this cell is D14. If you want to check specific data in a specific cell, click Home tab, click Find and Select button. Click Go To. The Go To commands open. Type the name of cell reference in cell reference box. I type C2000. Click OK. Now you can see sheet moves to specific cell C2000. The name box shows the cell reference of this cell C2000. In this way, you can check specific data in a specific cell. To move back in cell A1, press Ctrl Home shortcut key.